I'm doing some delving into the charging on the 12 volt on these Nissan Leafs. This one's a later AZE0, so that it's already way better than the earlier ZE1s. But I've got, not only do I have this plug-in adapter in the cigarette lighter socket, which shows me the voltage, I also actually have one permanently live wired to the battery. This one, as I say, it's a permanent 12 volt, so just by peeping in through the window I can check that the voltages are good or otherwise, but on these later cars they tend to be good. So this one's just been started up, so it's charging the battery at the full expected 14.3%. I'm going to let it finish doing that, and then I'll come back and show you some other little niceties. Okay, so the car's been running for a while now and it's settled down to 12.9 volts. The common way to make the charging system kind of boost itself is to just use the wipers briefly. So there we go, I've done a flick wipe, and you can see we've gone up to 13.5 volts and climbing. So it just kind of re-energizes the charging system, provides a bit of extra in the charging for the 12 volt battery. So now a few minutes later it's gone down again. In the interests of science, I'm going to try something else. So next thing I'm going to do is just switch the headlights on manually and then put them back to auto. That's done nothing. Apply the brakes to trigger the brake lights. That's done nothing. So yeah, it does appear that the common knowledge of just engaging the wiper motor system seems to do the job. Just going to try it on a wash and wipe and see if that gives the same. It should do, because it triggers the wiper mechanism, and yes it does. There it goes, climbing back up again because the wipers have run. So it's not an old wives' tale, it's all good. So to follow on from my 12 volt charging boost copied video the other day, I'm now in our ZE0. We've only just started up, so we're showing 14 volts, very much the way that the AZE0 was showing. So rather than sit here and just video the car while it's not doing a great deal, we'll wait until the voltage drops down to its stable position, and then we'll see if triggering the wipers gives it the same boost on the 12 volt battery that we saw on the AZE0. So here we go, car's been running for a while now. We're showing 13 volts. It did actually just drop down to 12.7, but we're showing 13 now on my LED display here. Going to trigger the wipers, same as on the AZE0, and yes, it does exactly the same thing. You can see the voltage climbing up, takes it up to about 14 volts for a short while, and then eventually it will come back down again. So yeah, a very useful way to just put a little bit of extra boost into your battery from time to time.